Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in CapCut. So if you want to create a professional looking videos with green screen effects, you can just follow this step-by-step CapCut tutorial and watch how you can remove the green screen like a pro. So it can be useful if you're making content for TikTok, Instagram, or maybe YouTube. So this guide will give you everything that you need. First, let's just launch the CapCut application. And then you can just tap on new project and open the video that you want to edit. So here I'm going to just use video from CapCut. Let's just use, for example, this one's right here. You can click on the video that you want to edit, not the green screen yet. So I'm going to add the green screen as overlay. You can tap on add first. Okay, so here is the video that I want to edit with the green screen. Now let's add the green screen overlay. So you can just tap on overlay button, add overlay, and then find the green screen. I'm going to also use one from the library. Click on green screen category and then find the green screen that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this TV screen green screen. Tap on it and then tap on add again. So here, adjust the size. And to remove the green screen easily, you can just click on the green screen and find the remove background option by swiping it the toolbar just like this, and click on the remove background and use the chroma key. Now you can see there's this color picker that you can drag to select the green screen. You can adjust now the intensity and also the shadow. If you are on CapCut Pro, you can use the feather edge and also the clean up edge feature on chroma key. So when you're done, you can click on a check icon in here and you'll see now this is the video with green screen effect. If you want to fix the position, you can click on the main video and adjust the position just like this. And there you go. This is the result with green screen effects. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button if this video helps you, and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut and video editing tutorials. And don't forget to hit on the bell and also the thanks icon to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.